Have you ever woken up and felt like your eyes just aren't ready yet? The clock looks blurry, the light feels harsh, and for a few minutes your vision feels slow, almost delayed. Most people after 60 assume this is normal, just aging. But here's the truth, it's not just age. It's what your eyes didn't get while you were sleeping. Because your eyes don't shut down at night, they repair. They rebuild light-sensitive cells. They restore moisture. They reset your visual clarity for the next day. But here's the problem. Recent findings suggest that a large percentage of adults over 60 are lacking key nutrients needed for this overnight repair process, and when that happens, your eyes wake up tired instead of refreshed. Now here's the part most doctors don't tell you. What you eat before bed can directly affect how your eyes recover overnight. Yes, something as simple as a small nighttime snack can either support your vision or slowly weaken it. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful bedtime foods that help your eyes repair while you sleep. Simple foods. No pills. No complicated routines. Now, I'd love to hear from you, and I personally read every comment. Do your eyes feel dry, blurry, or tired when you wake up? Because what you eat before bed tonight may decide how clearly you see tomorrow. Food number 3, prunes. Let's start with something most people completely underestimate. Prunes. They're usually seen as a digestive food. But when it comes to your eyes, their real power is something else entirely. Blood flow. Your eyes depend on a network of extremely tiny blood vessels. These vessels deliver oxygen and nutrients directly to your retina, the part of your eye responsible for turning light into vision. But here's what happens after 60. These vessels become narrower, stiffer, less efficient. And when that happens, even if you're eating the right nutrients, they may not fully reach your eyes. It's like trying to water a plant through a blocked pipe. The water is there, but it can't get through. This is where prunes come in. Prunes are rich in vitamin K1, a nutrient that helps maintain the flexibility of blood vessels. Studies have shown that higher vitamin K intake is linked to better circulation in delicate tissues, including the eyes. And that matters more than most people realize. Because improved circulation means more oxygen to your retina, better nutrient delivery, and stronger repair during sleep. But that's not all. Prunes are also high in potassium. And potassium plays a key role in regulating fluid balance in your body, including inside your eyes. Now here's something interesting. As you sleep, pressure inside your eyes can slightly increase. In younger people, the body regulates it easily. But after 60, this regulation becomes weaker, which can lead to puffy eyes, morning blur, or that heavy feeling when you wake up. Research has suggested that proper potassium intake can help stabilize this pressure, reducing strain on the optic nerve and supporting clear vision. And there's another hidden benefit. Prunes contain small amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that protect your retina from light damage. So you're not just improving delivery, you're also adding protection. Now here's what many people notice. After consistent intake, their eyes feel less foggy and the morning vision clears faster after waking, and overall eye comfort improves, not instantly, but within a few weeks. Now here's how to use them. Take 1-2 prunes. Eat them about 45-60 minutes before bed. Make sure they're unsweetened and natural. You can eat them alone or combine them with a small amount of yogurt. And here's something important. Prunes are low on the glycemic index, which means they won't spike your blood sugar at night. In fact, they may help stabilize it. And stable blood sugar is important for your eyes, because sudden changes in glucose levels can temporarily affect your vision. But here's the thing. Improving blood flow is only the first step, because once nutrients reach your eyes, they still need protection, especially during the night when your eyes are most vulnerable. And the next food does exactly that. Food number 2, pistachios. Now that blood flow is improved, your eyes can finally receive nutrients. But here's the next problem. Protection. Because even while you sleep, your eyes are still active. Your retina continues processing light signals. It rebuilds visual pigments. And all of this activity creates something called oxidative stress. In simple terms, tiny amounts of damage that build up over time. And after 60, your body becomes less efficient at handling this, which is why many people experience increased sensitivity to light, difficulty seeing at night, or glare from headlights. Now, this is where pistachios become powerful. Pistachios are rich in vitamin E, and vitamin E works like a protective shield. It helps protect the delicate membranes of your eye cells, especially the rods and cones that detect light. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin E intake is linked to a slower progression of age-related eye decline. But that's just the first layer. Pistachios also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, the same protective pigments found in leafy greens. These nutrients settle in the macula of your eye and act like natural filters, helping reduce damage from blue light and oxidative stress. In fact, research suggests that higher levels of these compounds are associated with improved visual contrast and reduced glare sensitivity. Now here's something most people don't expect. Pistachios also support your sleep. They are one of the few natural foods that contain melatonin, the hormone that signals your body to rest. Better sleep doesn't just mean feeling refreshed, it means deeper repair. Because your eyes do most of their healing during deep sleep cycles. There's also magnesium and vitamin B6 in pistachios. Both play a role in nerve function, including the optic nerve, the pathway that connects your eyes to your brain. So now think about what's happening. You're not just protecting your eyes, you're supporting the entire visual system, from retina to nerve to brain. Now here's what people often notice. After adding pistachios regularly, less dryness in the morning, reduced eye irritation, and better comfort in low light, especially at night. Now here's how to use them. Take 5-7 pistachios, unsalted, eat them about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You can eat them alone or pair them with a small spoon of yogurt or fruit. Avoid salted versions, because excess sodium can increase dehydration, and that works against your eyes. But here's the truth, even protection isn't enough. Because your eyes don't just need to be shielded, they need to be rebuilt. And the next food provides exactly what your body needs to repair itself while you sleep. Before we move on, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Senior Revival, where simple changes for seniors can lead to a powerful, healthy comeback. Food number 1, chia seeds. Now we come to the most important piece. Because improving blood flow and protecting your eyes is powerful, but true change happens when your body starts to rebuild. And this is where chia seeds stand out. They may look small, but inside, they carry exactly what your eyes need to repair themselves. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats your body uses to maintain and rebuild cell membranes. And here's why that matters. Your retina is made up of delicate cells, and over time, those cells begin to lose flexibility. They become weaker, less responsive. And that's when symptoms start showing up. Dry eyes, slow focusing, light sensitivity. Now here's what omega-3 does. It helps restore those cell membranes, making them more flexible and functional again. Studies have shown that omega-3 intake is linked to improved tear production and reduced symptoms of dry eye, especially in older adults. Some findings suggest noticeable improvement in eye comfort after consistent intake over several weeks. But that's just one part. Chia seeds also help with hydration. When soaked in water, they form a soft gel. And this gel plays an important role. It slows digestion, supports fluid retention, and helps your body stay hydrated longer. Now think about what happens during sleep. Your body continues to lose water through breathing, through small amounts of sweating. And if your body isn't properly hydrated, your eyes can dry out overnight. That's why many people wake up with gritty eyes, burning sensation, or blurred vision. Chia seeds help reduce that by supporting hydration from within. There's also another benefit. Chia seeds contain tryptophan. This is a compound your body uses to produce melatonin, which helps regulate sleep. And deeper sleep means better repair, because your body does most of its healing during deeper sleep stages. Now here's what many people notice. After adding chia seeds consistently, their eyes feel more comfortable in the morning, less dryness and better clarity after waking, and it doesn't feel forced. It feels natural, because your body is simply getting what it needs. Now here's how to use them. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix them into water or almond milk. Let them sit for 20-30 minutes until they form a gel. Then eat them about 45-60 minutes before bed. You can also add banana slices or a pinch of cinnamon for taste. But here's where everything changes. Because when you combine these 3 foods, they don't just work individually, they work as a system. And that's where the real results begin. Why these foods work together. Now here's what most people miss. These foods are powerful on their own, but their real strength comes when they work together. Think of it like a system. Each one plays a different role. Prunes improve circulation. They help open the pathway so oxygen and nutrients can actually reach your eyes. Pistachios protect. They act like a shield, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your retinal cells while you sleep. And chia seeds rebuild. They provide the raw materials your body needs to repair damaged cells and restore hydration. Now here's why this matters. Most people focus on just one solution, one vitamin, one food. But your body doesn't work that way. Your eyes don't just need nutrients. They need delivery protection and repair all working together. And when even one of these is missing, results are limited. But when all three are supported, that's when changes begin to feel real. Some people notice less morning blur, better eye comfort, and clearer focus during the day, not because of one miracle food, but because the system is finally working as it should. So the real question is, how do you turn this into something simple you can actually follow every night? The night routine, how to use them. Now let's make this practical. Because you don't need a complicated plan, you just need a simple routine. Start about 45-60 minutes before bed. Take 1-2 prunes. This helps improve circulation before your body enters its repair phase. Then add 5-7 pistachios. This provides protection and supports deeper sleep. Finally, include 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, soaked and ready to eat. This supports repair and hydration overnight. You can eat them separately or combine them. Some people mix chia seeds with yogurt and add chopped prunes and pistachios. Others keep it simple. Either way works. Now here's something important. Keep it calm. No screens, no rushing, because your body responds better when it's relaxed. This routine isn't just about food, it's a signal that your body is preparing to rest and repair. And over time, that signal becomes a habit. But before you expect instant results, there's one important truth you need to understand. Now here's something important to understand. These foods are powerful, but they're not magic. You may notice small changes early, less dryness, clearer mornings. But real improvement takes time, because your eyes don't repair in one night. They respond to consistency. Studies on nutrient-based eye support suggest noticeable improvements often appear after 3 to 6 weeks of regular intake. That's how your body rebuilds, step by step, night after night. So if you try this once or twice, you won't see the real benefit. But if you stay consistent, your body starts to respond. And here's the most important part. It's not too late. Your eyes still have the ability to repair. Your body still knows how to recover. It just needs the right support. So here's a simple question for you. Which one of these will you try tonight? We're building a community here to support your strong, healthy comeback. If this helped you, I'd truly appreciate a like and if you subscribe. And join me in the next video for another simple step toward better health.